Going hungry in America's farmland is a reality the lawmakers say is too common.
To tackle the increase in food deserts, which are areas without access to grocery stores, almost $2 million in grants were given to local food producers.
So WAD's Carly Bronkelman tonight breaks down how this money will improve health in our communities.
Necessary food crossing state lines.
Right now, if you look at Illinois, 95% of our food is brought in from the outside.
Instead of local families buying local food, money is leaving the area.
So that money and that economic benefit is actually leaving our communities, whereas we see a 30% increase of that same dollar when it's spent with a local producer.
One organization near Peoria is receiving money to start urban gardens and open a communal kitchen stocked with everything from utensils to oven, which they say people are struggling to afford.
People wanted to be able to grow fresh food around their house where they couldn't access it otherwise. They wanted to be able to cook healthy meals at home but didn't have the resources. And they wanted, in some cases, to be able to sell things at a farmer's market or open a food stand.
Their goal is to help empower people to create long-lasting change.
And, like many churches, we have run a food pantry for years, which does really good work, but it wasn't actually changing people's lives. So we started partnering with neighborhood groups and asking people in the community what their food dreams were.
Well, the $1.8 million is being distributed to almost 20 organizations. Legislators say they desperately need more funding.
Nearly 250 farms and food businesses applied for funding with $23 million in project requests, which is more than 10 times what we had to distribute.
Sparking change in over a dozen communities. In Springfield, Carly Bronkelman, WAND News.
The Illinois Stewardship Alliance advocating for Senate Bill 3077. That would give the program at least $2 million each year for food producers.